Pretty Posse sound. Instead of me got sound called Pretty Posse. Well wicked and wild and wassy. Different kind of custom this. Mad Spider. His name the Yellow Bird tune up. That's why me sing this name the Yellow Bird tune up. Yo, Pretty Posse are the people's choice. Use the rhythm make the machine sound nice. First it happen. Listen it a come through the horn. Now watch when the mid-range turn on. Mid sound clean in our face. We go test each side before we add the bass. Move it to the left. Now switch it to the right. Now have the voice on the right and rhythm on the left. Now shift it back to the center. What a rascal sound sweepy man. How this your sound, your innocent I go use down the place. Now a time for test out the bass. Now make it roll. Make it roll. Bassline a roll. P, we have the control. Now P, we me brother. We test it individual, now put it all together. Sweetest sound I ever heard. Pretty Posse, this original Yellow Bird. Mad. The other sound they not ready for the war yet. What am I gonna do when Pee-wee drop couple garnet? Chop bumbo clock, man. Mad Spider. Different kind of custom. We call this an acoustic custom. You see? Sonic custom. Mad.